military governor, a former distinguished senator, a former senator, a Senate President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, in no other person than General Senator David Alechami Bonaventure Mark. Please be seated. He's here, already standing on the pulpit to deliver his acceptance speech. Audience, please. Can we be controlled, please? Where are you going to forget? Zambara kirasuna kubakai.
ADC,
Arise.
ADC,
Arise.
ADC,
Arise and shine, Nigeria.
The immediate past chairman of this very great party, my brother and my friend, Saraf Wozu, very distinguished members of this great party. I crave your indulgence to listen for just a few minutes.
ABC State Chairman, why can't you listen, please? Be seated now. I'm on Lagos. But Dr. Ajadi, your principal is talking and you're standing there making that. Please sit down.
ADC, I know the day is fast spent and I know you've been here since morning. And most of you are anxious to leave. It is with profound gratitude, humility, and a very deep sense of duty that I address you as the National Chairman of the African Democratic Congress. I am honored by the confidence you repose in me, and I pledge before all of you here to serve this party with integrity, transparency, courage, and vision. Today marks not just the beginning of the new next session, but the dawn of a new chapter in ADC. A chapter that we must write together with courage, unity, and conviction. I wish to acknowledge the hard work, the patriotism, the sacrifices, and the dedication of Honorable Ralph Wozu and his team, who over the years built this party and are relinquishing leadership to our team in the interests of this country. Our leaders and all our loyal members who contributed in any way to the growth of this political family also deserve our commendation. And I want to thank all of you for the support that you've given so far. I ask you for the same support for my team and myself.
Inshallah.
I will hold you responsible and mark you that I had, we shall give you. Okay? I've noted you.
ADC.
I assure you that under our leadership, we shall be committed to full democratic practices and principles that abhors imposition and special privileges. Internal democracy, transparency, and accountability will be our mantra. There will be no imposition of any kind there. Everybody in this party is equal.
ADC.
You have the same rights like me, the chairman. I don't have any more right. I'm just one of you who has been chosen to manage and lead you. So any one of you here can become the leader of ADC. That is the difference between ADC and other political parties in this country. We will guarantee collective leadership at all levels. We will build a technically competent bureaucracy for the party and ensure a structured financing. All members will truly own the party. Every one of us here has equal right in this party, and I want all of you to note that. We will be fair and just to all party members. We promise to be totally transparent. ADC will have zero tolerance for anti-party and any form of indiscipline.
The general has spoken.
You are either in ADC or you are not in ADC. There is no midway in this business. And those who are not with us, we will not carry them along. We shall revise our grassroots leadership structures to reflect modern realities. From the polling units upwards, up to the national level, every organ will be re-energized. We will open the gates for the next generation. Our policies, nominations, and leadership roles will reflect meaningful inclusion of youths and women, and not just tokenism. This is why we have reserved 35% of our leadership positions for women. It is also our commitment to have youths below the age of 40 years in our leadership position. You can see the number of women that we have already appointed. And I think that is, again, where we are unique. We have done the same thing for our youths. We're giving them recognition. In return, the youths of ADC, we expect that we work seriously for this party and for the success of this party, so that together as partners, we can achieve what we want. And what do we want? To produce the president of this country who will run the affairs of this country the way Nigerians are yearning for now. Within the shortest possible time, the NWC will raise committees to review the manifesto and the constitution of our party to meet and reflect the aspirations of the Nigerian people. We shall clearly articulate what we stand for. Nigerians must know us as a party driven by unblemished ideology, progressive policies, and patriotic governance. We will not leave it to the discretion of individual candidates to choose what to do with power. Therefore, in the coming days, we shall announce a 50-member policy committee to cover health, education, agriculture, technology, security, economy, infrastructure, and other services. Yes. This underlines ADC's focus in achieving good governance for Nigerians. Finally, we invite all Nigerians to join our party. ADC is the only party that guarantees equal opportunity to everyone, regardless of age, gender, religion, or region. Our handshake is across all the divides of this country. We have a handshake across the Niger, handshake across the Benue, handshake across the Delta when Niger and Benue meet and they're
Yes.
Distinguished members of this very great party, again, let me assure you that this leadership will be transparent, will be honest. We are part and parcel of you, and there will be no protocol whatsoever. Please don't come to me and say, Chairman, I want to see you. Go to your respective locations and work for this party.
Yes.
As we live here now, as we live here today, please go to your polling units and make sure that we win from the polling units all the way down to the federal level. We don't want too many people in Abuja. All of us in Abuja should go to our various locations and work for the party. Finally, very distinguished members of this great party, I want to thank you for the anticipated support. I know once ADC says we are doing something, they will do it. ADC does not live on promises. I know you live on actions, and we expect those actions from you. ADC! ADC! A, D, and C!